feel like my game's been really off lately. And I've been doing everything. Practicing every day, visualizing. I even haven't washed my mouthguard in over a year.
What? Why?
You know, for good luck.
What? Oh, man. Man, who told you to do that? That's not a thing. So for whatever reason, most of us don't clean our mouth guards hardly ever. So basically this part comes off the back. You fill this with the cleaning solution. It's called Gorilla Juice. Pops it back on. And then there's a one-way valve here. Drop your mouth guard in, close it, one press, shake, drain, and you got a fresh peppermint mouthpiece, disinfected.